Scientists studied this for decades before they understood what was actually happening. Because it turns out, your heart does not skip a beat at all. What you feel is something far stranger. And once you understand it, you will never experience that chest flutter the same way again. Here is the real science. Your heart runs on electrical signals. A specialized cluster of cells in your heart called the sinoatrial node, your heart's natural pacemaker, fires an electrical pulse at regular intervals. That pulse travels through the heart muscle in a precise sequence, triggering each chamber to contract in the right order. This is what keeps your heartbeat steady and rhythmic every second of your life. What actually happens when your heart seems to skip a beat is that the heart's upper chambers, the atria, contract slightly earlier than normal. This is called a premature atrial contraction. Afterward, the atria pause a bit longer than usual to get back into normal rhythm. Feed spot that pause, that brief reset, is what you feel as the skip. Your heart did not stop. It fired early, paused, then restarted with extra force. Extra blood accumulates during the pause, causing the lower chambers, the ventricles, to contract more forcefully than usual to clear the buildup. That stronger contraction is the thud you feel after the skip. Feed spot, so. What triggers it when you are startled? Your body's fight or flight system. When something startles you, a loud noise, a sudden movement, unexpected news, your amygdala fires an alarm signal in milliseconds. Your adrenal glands immediately flood your bloodstream with adrenaline. The startle effect releases adrenaline, which causes the heart rate to increase, and the heart to beat more vigorously, creating a sensation of panic, heart pounding, and heart racing. Zenith family care, but adrenaline does not just make your heart beat faster, it makes it more electrically excitable. The cells in your heart become more sensitive to firing, and that increased excitability is what causes the premature contraction. The heart fires before it is supposed to, then pauses, then pounds. In under 2 seconds, your body has processed a threat, flooded itself with hormones, and temporarily disrupted your heart's electrical rhythm, all before your conscious brain has fully registered what happened. This is why the feeling is so visceral. Your body responded to a potential threat before you even had a time to think about it. That flutter is evolution working exactly as designed. Most premature contractions are completely harmless and happen to nearly everyone. However, if you experience frequent skipped beats, accompanied by dizziness, chest pain, or shortness of breath, that is worth discussing with a doctor. If your body is doing something strange and nobody has ever properly explained it, that is exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe and hit hype, because next week we are covering why you get brain freeze and what is actually happening inside your skull.